My name is Aryan and I'm currently 20 years old. I'm in my sixth semester of computer engineering, which is third year. And I'm from Maharashtra, near Pune. There is a town named Sangamner. I do engineering over there, and I joined Crio for getting some good opportunities for placements and some learning some structural approach of web development, which can be found easily online. And my main motive of joining Crio was getting good referrals and good interviews, which I did get from the January, and I successfully cleared the technical rounds and all the rounds of the company name Delivery, which is under the company name Urban Harvest, and I had joined there as a backend intern. In Crio, they're mostly focused on the MERN related concepts like Mongo, Express, React, and Node. My favorite project is a QKart actually, because it has too many things to do and lot of things to understand, like how the cart is actually handled with web sessions. And then the expense tracker app, which I learned in Redux, like how the global stage management is done. And also while learning some concepts of NodeJS and ExpressJS personally, it was really hard for me because it can be found online for a free on any platforms, but it was not as structural, or the post sessions which was provided by Crio, or the assignments were given by very helpful, which helped me understand all over the concepts easily. Referral thing, like Crio, I saw the website of Crio, like it was giving us too many referrals. I remember from January to till the date of May, I received referrals for 76 companies, for which I had applied for 10 companies. And from those 10 companies, my 6 interviews were converted. And from those 6 interviews, I cleared I received the offer from one company. And so basically the Crio is like all the institutes will teach you everything same, but what I personally like about Crio was the referral pool. I viewed the Crio website projects, their project sections. I found really good projects. And from that I chose the Selenium Web Scraping project. I built it within 1 month. I was knowing the Java and Python till then, so it was easy for me. I learned Selenium and just do a normal web scraping thing of doing login from Instagram and posting something on it. And yeah, I really got good grades in that. QKart was one of the most challenging and one of the most difficult project for me actually. Others were I think because of QKart, I was able to do other projects easily, and the cart section in QKart, I was unable to pass its test cases, and it was really needing a deep conceptual understanding. Technical team really helped me to do it, and yeah, I was able to complete it. And other projects I have done, like expense tracker, the QKart I mentioned. I actually forgot these minor projects I had made. I had made like more than 20 mini projects, 4 to 5 big scale projects which were in my sprints. They are providing me the stipend of 20,000. The internship is 6 months long. After the internship, if according to my performance, they will be providing the PP of 5 to 8 LPA, which is really good for a fresher. And I am currently in only my third year. Learn by doing is there, which is absolutely no doubt very helpful. Yeah, means the consistency which you should give for every week to complete all the week's assignments. You should have a really great focus while even if your code is failing or app is breaking, you should not get demotivated. You should ask the technical team, raise ticket, or ask your mentor, which will really help to clear your doubts, even if the doubt is not as good as you think, but it will really help you in a large scale when you look about it in future. So there is not any specific line, I think, because it is a combination of various things which let you come at this place.